A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. If Jesus did tell you to go sell everything where you have and give to the poor, you have anything where you would have want hold back and don't go sell? Jesus. Me I tell you, it's a good thing say Jesus love we kind lick at sometimes. Me not lie. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't click the subscribe button yet, where you wait pan? Just click it now, and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what go on. Right here, so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Mark chapter 10 from verse 17 to verse 31. When Jesus did both fi left out, one man run up to him, go down upon him knee and ask him say, "Good teacher, what me must do if me want live forever?" Jesus asked him say, "What make you call me good? Nobody no good. Only God one. You know when Moses last say, no kill, no sleep with nobody where you no married to, no thief, no tell lie upon people, no trick people for take away what them have, respect your father and mother, and do what them say." The man answer him say, "Teacher, from me a little boy, me follow all of them there, with all of my heart." Jesus look upon him and love him. And say to him, say, "A only one sitting your shatter. Go sell everything where you have and give the money to the poor people them, and you will reach in a heaven. When you do that, come follow me." When the man hear what Jesus say, him heart drop and him go away sad, cause him did well rich. Then Jesus look round and said to him follower them, say, "Are the hardest thing for rich people go in a God kingdom?" Him follower them shock when them hear that. So Jesus said to them again, "Pickney, it really hard for go in a God kingdom. It easier for one camel go through one needle eye than for somebody who rich go in a God kingdom." This shock them even more. So then say to one another, say, then who can get saved? Jesus looked upon them and said, what people can do, God can do. Cause nothing no there where God can do. Then Peter talk up and say, look, we left everything where we have to follow you. Jesus say, may I tell you the truth? Nobody not about we left them house, brother, sister, mother, father, picnic, or house and land for me. And the good news, we now go get back in at them time, yeah. House and land, brother, sister, mother, and picnic. Them go get back 100 times more. And them go get sufferation with them too. And in at the time we go come, then we get to live forever. But no for who they are front now, I go there a back. And who they are back, I go there a front. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.